If you're wondering how you receive dividend payments on Trading 212, stay put, you're in the right place. First of all, hello. If you haven't seen any of my videos before, my name's Ian and I've recently got involved in this crazy world of investing. I've started a series on my YouTube channel called My Investment Journey, which is basically me going through the world of investing as a complete beginner to the stock market and to all these trading platforms, especially Trading 212. So if you're interested, please check them out. I'll put a link in the description below this video so you can easily get to it if need be. Today I'm talking about Trading 212 and dividend payments. Let's get right into it. So dividends are a distribution of profits by a company to its shareholders. If you're using Trading 212 like me and you've invested in dividend paying stocks or shares, you might be asking yourself two questions. When will I receive this payment and how do I receive this payment? I'm going to take you over now to my iPhone screen and I'll show you a really easy way you can see when your dividends will actually be paid by your stock or share, and then I'll show you how you can check this in Trading 212. So that's me now on my iPhone, so let me open up Google Chrome and I'll show you this website Dividend Max I'm talking about. So the address is simply dividendmax.com, as you can see. And to use this, it's extremely easy. You click the menu button at the top right, and you can do a search for your company name, or you can put in the ticker symbol, which is what I usually do. So for example, I'm going to do the company Legal & General here. So I know the ticker symbol for them is LGEN. And there we go, Legal & General Group. Then you tap on that. Comes up with Legal & General, the company. And tells you dividend summary, so you can read through that if need be. But what we're interested in here, if you scroll down, you can see the row here that says pay date. I'll zoom in on that for you. So the pay date, Thursday the 4th of June 2020, and also Thursday 24th September 2020. And they're split into two columns. So the first column is previous dividend, so that was the date the previous dividend was paid, which was Thursday the 4th of June 2020, and the next dividend payment date is going to be Thursday 24th of September 2020. So this is a really easy way of seeing what companies pay out dividends on what dates, and like I say, it's a great site to use. It's the one I use, and that's really all there is to it. So how are dividend payments received by you with Trading 212? Well, you'll receive a notification on your phone. Let me just show you an example of when I last received my dividend. So you'll see a notification pop up on your phone like this. Now for me, this popped up on the 5th of June and the dividend was actually paid out by Legal & General on the 4th of June. So Trading 212 received and alerted me of this the very following day. So like I say, this is a notification that actually popped up on my iPhone. So when I actually clicked on that notification, it came up with this, which, as you can see, on the 23rd of April 2020, Legal & General Group distributed an ordinary dividend of 12.64 pence per share. So you have received £12.64. So the 23rd of April was what's called the ex-dividend date. And this is just the date by which you need to have purchased stock in the company to be eligible for the following dividend payment date. Since I owned 100 shares in Legal & General by the 23rd of April, and each share I owned was worth 12.64 pence, that meant 12.64 pence times my 100 shares, which gave me my dividend payment of £12.64. So that's how I received the £12.64 payment. And yes, that £12.64 payment I received from Legal & General as a dividend, it just ends up going into your free funds balance in your Trading 212 account. Trading 212 makes it really easy for you to view all of your past dividend payments if you want to. So to do this, if you open up the Trading 212 app, and if you head to your account tab, so it's just the bottom right, looks like the menu button. So if you click on there, and then you scroll down and click onto history, and then you click on dividends, which is the third tab at the top. And then from here you can click into each dividend. I've only got the one at the moment, as you can see, but you can click into each dividend for more details if you wish. So for example, I'll click on this one and just show you. So this was my Legal & General Group dividend, which I received 5th of June 2020, earlier this month. Number of shares, I had 100 shares. Like I said earlier, 12.64 pence was what each share was worth. Since I had 100, times that by 100, and that gave me a dividend payment of 12.64. And it even tells you at the bottom there on the dividends tab, total dividends £12.64, which is handy. My next dividend is due later this month, and that's coming from Shell, which is Shell RDSB ticker, so it's Shell for the UK investors. And this is going to be paid out on the 22nd of June, so I'll be looking forward to seeing that added here when it comes to it. But like I say, for now, this is the only dividend I've received with Trading 212, but it's just an easy way of being able to see what your past dividends have been and to get more details on them if you need to. So I hope this video has helped you understand dividend payments and the Trading 212 platform a little bit easier. If you've enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. It really does help me and help the channel. I'm a relatively new YouTuber still, so it just gives me a lot more encouragement to keep doing these sort of videos. Leave me a comment below. I love interacting with you guys. Any questions, thoughts, anything on your mind to do with investing or just general chit chat, leave it below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And yeah, that's really it for now, guys. If you have enjoyed this video and you've not seen my other ones, please check out the playlist, like I said earlier, my investment journey, which I will include in a link below this video. I do a weekly portfolio review of all my investments on the Trading 212 app, so that might be quite useful for some of you guys to kind of follow along with. You'll get to see what stocks are doing well for me, what stocks are doing really poorly, and we can kind of just take things like that and go through it together really. So yeah, thanks again guys, really appreciate you watching this, and I hope to see you all in the next video.